This short video provides a look at how the ProSa instrument works. The video was shot in our production bay in Austin, so we will show analysis of steel cutouts to simulate the analysis of full end of slabs in the plant. The ProSa instrument is designed to be operated by a single technician. Once the unit has been aligned to the steel slab stack, the technician will then lock the 4 caster wheels and plug in power and compressed air to the system. The supplied air, which is dried and filtered by a desiccant filter, cools the electronics enclosure in the cart, as well as maintains positive pressure to the scan head to prevent dust and contaminants from entering the head. With the unit powered on and the software initiated, it is now time to begin setting up a scan by launching the Acquire New Data page. This will automatically rotate the scan head to the horizontal use position and turn on the Keep Out lasers on either side of the cart. These Class 2 lasers project a line 1 meter away from the sides of the cart to establish a safe work zone. If nearby personnel cross into this zone, motion sensors on either side of the cart will detect this encroachment and shut down X-ray beam operation and stage assembly motion. Once the scan head automatically rotates to the use position, the head camera and positioning laser will activate and assist the operator to position the scan head at the area of interest on the slab end, as well as set up the scan boundary. The bounding area for the scan operation is defined by 4 points as selected by the operator: upper left and right, and lower left and right. The operator can move the scan head via the front monitor on the cart or a tablet while standing to the side of the cart for a different vantage point. With the XY coordinates of the scan area established, the operator then selects the Acquire function, which will trigger the scan head to automatically measure the Z depth of the slab end on the far left and right sides. This ensures that the operation will account for samples that are at an angle or non-perpendicular to the front of the scan head, while maintaining the detector's proper focal length to the sample. With the scan setup complete, the head will then move to the upper left corner of the bounding area. The X-ray beam will power on and the operation will begin the mapping sequence. The head traverses the scan area line by line via a serpentine motion until it reaches the bottom right corner, thus finishing the map. The X-ray then powers down while the head pulls back away from the sample. The data received by the detectors are analyzed and quantified in real time and are ready for review as soon as the mapping sequence is complete. The operator can now set up a new scan on a different slab or return to the main menu and review the acquired data. By returning to the main menu, the scan head will automatically retract to its home position and rotate upwards to its vertical stow position. Selecting the Show Previous Data page enables the operator to view the scan data, including the elemental intensity maps, some spectral data, weight percentage calculation, and generate a final report for each slab. Once the operator has finished scanning and reviewing the data, the machine can then be prepped for storage by putting the safety cap back on the scan head, shutting down the instrument, unplugging the main power cable and air hose, and unlocking the caster wheels. This concludes this short demonstration of the ProSa process. Again, this new quantitative approach provides robust manganese weight percent data for each of 20,000 pixel locations per centerline region of a slab. This objective data is then used to provide a reproducible segregation index output for each slab, eliminating subjective interpretation from the process. We thank you for your time, and we look forward to working closely with you and your colleagues going forward.